Today's home workout for your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, is simply my 7 minutes for 7 days to help lose visceral belly fat. And we're doing this for our health. It's a really lovely workout, super effective. We're going to start with a quick little warm up, then we're going to get straight into it. Just 7 minutes, 7 days. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're just going to do, as said, quick warm up. So just follow along, and we're going to start off just doing 10 of these little side steps and just give me these arm bends. And the point of doing this quick warm up, it actually means we're going to get better results from the workout because we're going to mobilize your body, prepare it for the routine ahead. Now, arms in front, just give me 10 of these hamstring curls. Just draw those arms back. So it's just very quick, it's just mobilizing all through your joints. And last move, just reach across just for 10. Just give me those power punches, step across, and just warm up your core body temperature. So well done. We are now ready to start the workout. And I'm just going to show you a preview of the first move. First move, you're going to do 4 of these power punches, and then we're going to do 4 of these knee lifts, and we're just traveling as we're doing them. So let's get ready, come into position, and we're going to start now with 4 traveling knee lifts. Now give me 4 power punches and now travel it back. So we're doing this 45 seconds. You can see in the right hand corner, that is your 7-minute countdown. And this is all designed to help lose excess belly fat. Let's just keep going. Keep repeating that move, put power through those punches, draw that arm up. So this is a cardio workout, but we're also really targeting through your abs as well. And to really get you the best results for this 7-day lose belly fat challenge, I've also created you a free 7-day healthy eating plan, completely free. I'll leave the website address where you can find that at the end of the video. So let's just keep going all the way to that arrow reaches the top. And well done. So you've now got 15 seconds recovery. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And then what we're going to do is have a look at your next move. So we're going to have fun with this one. You're going to do 2 side steps, and then just imagine you're slamming shut a door and reaching across with the opposite hand. Now slam shut that door, opposite side, and just keep going. Going backwards from one side to the other. So 2 side steps. And the key with this one, again, we're getting that heart rate up. But what we're doing as we're reaching across, we're really engaging through those waist muscles and really put power. Imagine that's a heavy door that we're slamming shut, and just keep going. That's good. And again here, this one, it's getting the heart rate up. It's really important when we're trying to reduce that excess belly fat. Remember, we're doing this for health, not to look a certain way. It's all about getting the heart pumping. It's about moving your body. It's about using big muscle groups. It's going to help to strip away excess belly fat. All right, so just march out, deep breath in, deep breath out. And we'll just have a look at your next move coming up. So for this one, you're going to take both the arms up. And a good way I think of doing this is think you're pulling off some wallpaper. So you're going to pull those arms down and step that foot across. And remember what's really important. There's no one specific exercise that can target a specific area. What I'm trying to do is combine everything for you with the exercise, the healthy eating, and doing it for 7 days. All right, that's good. So draw those arms up and over. And at the end of the video, I've created you a 7-day tick list. So you can take a screenshot, take a photo of it, print it off, and just do this. 7 minutes, 7 days can make such a difference to your health. All right, just keep that going. Power that through. So you step that foot behind, draw those arms across and over. That's good. Nearly done till the arrow reaches the top, and then just march it out. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll have a look at your next move. So this one here, we're going to come into a split stance. I've used this before in a lot of my workouts, such an effective move. Just imagine you're about to start running, and you're just going to keep it on that one leg. So just focus on the leg that you're standing on, because we're going to repeat on the other side for your next move. But drive it up. And so this one, again, we're powering lots of different muscle groups, but we're really activating through your core, keeping that going. And do come and find me on social media. I'm on Facebook, and let me know how you're getting on with this challenge. That's good. So for this last little bit, because you can see that timer on the left hand side, just really speed it up. Think about why you're here. This is about your health. That's good. All right, keep going, doing really well. Last little bit. And well done. All right, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Remember what leg you've done, because now we're going to work on the other side. So same move. So we're going to come into that split stance, but we're going to get ready now to power up the opposite leg. So you're just going to drive that knee up and just really imagine with your arms, you're sprinting. Go as fast as you can for me. You are getting stronger, and my job as your qualified online trainer, I've been teaching for over 25 years, is to give you the best workouts to get the best results for your future health and how you're feeling right now. Just keep that going, and do come and find me even on Instagram and share with me how you're getting on your health journey. Drive that knee up, really keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight, doing really well. Last little bit, let's go faster and faster if you can. And you can see here, just 7 minutes. This is so quick and easy to do. We can all find 7 minutes in our day. All right, that's good. Just march it out for me. Deep breath in, deep breath out, and then we'll have a look at the next move coming up. So for this one, we're going to be working waist bends as well as doing opposite elbow to knee. So take opposite elbow to knee just for 4. Now reach from one side to the other, feet a hip width distance apart. Keep alternating. So again here, what I'm deliberately doing is combining cardio and toning. So we're still strengthening and working through your abs, but we're getting that heart rate up. And the second time you come back to do this, remember you can hit the mute button. You don't have to have me coaching you and teaching you. Let's just keep going. So reach from side to side, feel that through the waist. Now get ready, draw that knee up, reach it across, and really engage your mind and muscles. Think about where you're working, what you're doing here. That's good. And well done. All right, just march it out. And so the final move is similar to the one we did at the beginning, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to be traveling around in a semicircle when you do your standing ab crunches. So we're going to get ready, take the arms up and just give me those 4 power punches and drive that knee up, semicircle, and 4 power punches. Let's just keep that going. So the great thing is with this, it's just 7 days, 7 minutes. You've got a tick chart. You can tick it off every single day. Do it first thing in the morning, then you've got it done. As I said, I've also put together a 7-day healthy eating plan. It's free. I don't need an email. You can just go to the website. I'll leave it in the description down below and at the end of the video. And do this for one reason only, to take control of your health. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Draw those knees up, power punches for 4. All right, well done. Let's just keep those feet moving. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Just keep moving slowly. Get that heart rate down and just making sure we've completed your full 7 minutes. Well done, there is your high five. Now, if you want to do some more workouts, then I have got a playlist here. If you are finished for day, click up there or in the description down below. Do a full cool down stretch. And don't forget, just 7 minutes, 7 days. Let's do this. Let's take control of your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.